Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to autofill dates in Excel. To do so, firstly, go to your Excel. Once you open your Excel, then you may click on blank window to open a new window. Then here, as you can see, I'm zooming in to give you a clear vision of what I'm doing. Now here, you'll have to fill in dates. Here, I will be filling my dates on a monthly basis under the B column, and I will be filling my dates on a yearly basis under the C column. Now you will have to fill in your date. So today is the 21st of May, so I will be typing down 21st of May under my month column, and the same under the yearly column, which is 05/21/2024. Now you'll have to click on the rectangle box where you have typed in your monthly date at. Once you do that, it will select that. Then you'll have to take your pointer, which is the white plus sign, to the right corner of the selected rectangle box. This will turn that white plus shaped pointer to a black one. Once you do that, you will have to press on it and then simply drag down. Here I'm dragging down to the number 14 to show you how the dates will change or how it will autofill your dates. Now, once you leave that, you can see that they have autofilled your dates. Now again, for the yearly based dates, you will have to again follow the same steps where you have to press on the bottom right corner of the selected box and make sure that the plus pointer has turned into a black plus sign pointer, and then simply press and drag down and simply let go to see that the dates have been autofilled. This is how you can easily autofill dates in Excel. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.